Hey, welcome back. We are doing more jewelry unboxings. I have Stella and Raven in here under everything helping me. Stella's in the other room barking to let me know she wanted to be on the video. Raven is laying under the table. So this is going to be fun as always. But hit that subscribe, hit the like, share this with your friends. I greatly appreciate it. I'm going to pull out probably, I try to do about 10 a video of this box that was 53 pounds shipped of jewelry. I've had all kinds of stuff. I don't know what I will find today. I just keep pulling out random stuff. So they said between 800 and 1,000 pieces. And I do, when I open, I do then try to look for anything similar and go ahead and pull that out, or I don't show things we've already shown in other videos because that just seems senseless to me. But we'll see what we can find today. Hopefully I can get Raven to move so that most videos she ends up moving my table all around or my camera, and so you guys get that jerky feel. But just know that Raven is a good girl. She just thinks she has to be by my feet. Took her to training. She's been in training for, I forgot what they called it exactly, but she now thinks that she has to stay by me at all times. Even when we are in the house and she could go lay in the other room. Stella's barking because the UPS man just went by. Thanks, UPS. She can hear you coming. So let's go ahead and start opening up some of this. All right, so first up, as always, some shoe charms. This looks like burgers. Oh, it must be the McDonald's pack. See, right there. We'll take these out. Oh, see if, I don't know if that helped me at all. Oh, shoot. All right, had to pull out the trusty knife because that did not rip well. Some of the packaging is super hard to get into. So there you go. We've got crock charms. I'm getting so many crock charms. Oh, it's all kinds of fast food. This doesn't say Rick Filet. I swear that's what it says. So, yeah, this is just all kinds of snackies. These will probably get me in some kind of trouble. Probably why they can't be sold. But, you know, I live life on the edge. We'll see how it goes. So there you go. A bunch of food. Do kids wear food on their Crocs? I don't know. I'm guessing so. I hope so, because I have a good bit of them right here. So hopefully, let's see, this is fast food. It doesn't say how many, but there they are. Fun. And next up we have, I got a bunch of similar things. They were family type friendship bracelets. This says red pearl with something Rocky for, I don't know. I don't know what it says. I'm not gonna butcher somebody's language. I'm just gonna tell you I don't know what it says. This looks to be, oh, it's just one. No. I honestly don't know. Is this a bookmark? or a necklace. Honestly, don't know what it is. This one looks like a bracelet or something. But there you go. That's number 2 item. Don't know what it is. It is kind of cute. If that's what you wear. It's dangly. It's cute. Let's move on. And just because I want these out of the way, I grabbed this one. It was right up there. Sorry. On top. Thank you, Raven. It is another string bracelet. It's kind of got pretty charms on it, though. So far today, nothing I'm writing home about. All right. This one wasn't in packaging other than this box. It says 14 karat gold on the bottom. And we have, looks like earrings. Now, are they 14 karat gold or plated? I don't know. If they're 14 karat gold, that's awesome. And here we go again, trying to get into the package. Okay. Let me see if I can get these out. Oh, yay. Oh, I see. Now, these actually might be real 14 karat gold all the way through. I will have to test them and see. But they are pretty. They're nice. I like these. This is something I would have worn when I wore a lot of earrings. I would have worn these, and they come in a nice box. We'll just pull this up to make sure. Yep. I always want to check because I'm like, I don't know. I don't know what I'm getting, so I never know if what's in the box is actually supposed to be in there. So those are actually a good pull today. Probably the best one yet. All right, here we go with a bigger box. Now, oh, this one looks familiar. I think I may have opened one of these yesterday. Let me look and see. Nope, I sure didn't. This is different. Same packaging, must be the same company. Let me see here. Fiata 4-piece jewelry. Orange. All right. The earrings. This looks as though maybe somebody either just wasn't packaged well or somebody opened one of them. I'm guessing somebody opened one. So it's got the big earrings. They're kind of cool. Not my color. But, and then the bracelet. And these are just orange and gold and clear beads. I still can't get my lights right because I've had to move my table so many times. But there you go. 2 sets of these. Oh, this must be the necklace. Oh, let me see here. That's what I'm guessing. This then, oops, is, yep, this will be the necklace. And you could put this on it if you choose to. Or don't. It doesn't matter to me. But they are kind of pretty. Just not quite what I wear. All right. This is an 80-piece sublimation keychain making kit. Oh, it's a keychain making kit. All right. Knife time. Oh my God. This looks far more complicated than I was prepared for today. Let's see what this contains. And it will never go back in the bag. Oh, wow. The same way. Ever. I can tell right now. Whoever buys this, this will probably be shipped a different way because I doubt I get it back. I've unboxed enough stuff to know I am not. All right. Like that crinkling? All right. Don't know what that is, but here are the key rings, the little attachment clips, and the little dealy whackers you put on them. What is this for? I don't know why you would have that. I don't know. I don't know if that's part of the key ring or what it's for. But yeah, you've got all the little clips, the rings themselves, and then the little doodads. Well, that was different. Don't know anything about it. I hope I can find it online so I can explain what it is. Look at this. It's all going to go back in the bag. Is it really? Oh my gosh. I get an award. All right. All right. We have fine jewelry. The back, I can't read. It says something for women. Yay. That explains a whole lot. If it didn't have that written on it, I would not have guessed. We have had a few pieces for men. Super Bowl rings, Kansas City Chiefs. Not real Super Bowl rings, but replicas with a nice case. All right, is it going to be something that wows us? God, I hope. Okay, maybe not wowed. Can I undo that? Oh, yes. We're going to undo this even more because I want to see what it, I mean, it looks like a pin, a brooch with, I'm sure those are real diamonds. All of these are probably what you would consider gray diamonds. I am just positive of it. I probably don't need to get out a diamond tester, but yeah. There you go. It's not terrible. Not my thing. But I know somebody's going to say, Cheryl, you should act like you love all this stuff so somebody will buy it. Well, I'm not going to lie. I wore a lot of jewelry back in the day. That's not something I would have worn, but I know a lot of people that probably would. All right, our next item is, I'm pretty sure, a fake pearl necklace. Awesome. This should be Beauty-Miss. I'm going to open it. Yeah, so when I sell these things, they will be open, but I can't take pictures of them without them opened anyway. So it doesn't matter. And let me move this and move the necklace on up. It's like a little choker. There you go. What brand name this is, I don't know. I can't, it's just, if that's the name brand, it's a lot of letters that I don't think go together. So there you go. Yay. Okay, this is not, I don't know, but it's in the bag. I wasn't going to open it because it wasn't very exciting, but that's part of it, is seeing what is actually in this. It is it says a size chart, but for what? Raven, let's not tip everything over, okay? Okay. Has a teeny tiny ring. Septum ring, nose ring. Oh, all right. And then it has a size chart. I don't know what size. Jewelry is established online, body jewelry. And then it shows you your different. Okay. Well, I'm glad I know what that is now, because I was really confused. And yeah. Septum. Is that your nose? I know. I'm not a doctor, so I didn't go to medical school. So I don't really know, but I sure think so. So that was exciting for people that need a septum ring. It's 8mm. Nose piercing. Yeah, I was right. There you go. Okay, this package doesn't say anything on it. It is, I like the bags that have been opened. They're a little easier. Nice velvet bag with the pull strings, and then something amazing is going to be in here. Come on, guys. We are ready for amaze balls. But oh, wait. Is there something still in there? Hang on. Oh, an earring back. So that gives me a little idea of what these are going to be. Oh, yeah. All right. Oh, this came off this. So yeah, these aren't going to really be anything. They look to be broken, so they will go in the junk pile. I'll probably keep the backings so that I have those in case I need them for another set. But these, yeah, they look to be broken and come unglued, literally unglued. But that's okay. That's actually my first broken, I mean totally broken. Also, we'll probably keep the little bag, so when I have something cool that I want to ship, I can do that. I can stick it in that bag, since these will end up in the garbage. All right, I hope you can see me. I'm working around dogs here. But that is our 10 pieces. This I didn't really need today. Sadly, I was in hopes I'd get... This is... Actually, this pull has probably, other than the one set of earrings, has probably been my least exciting. Even some of the croc charms have been cool. Today's were kind of... I don't eat fast food, so they weren't exciting. I mean, if they'd have had a real Arby's sandwich, I wouldn't have said no. But other than that, nothing really hit me today other than the one set of earrings. So we'll be back with more unboxing. I still have so much to go through. We'll just keep doing this, and I'll throw these in between my Amazon product reviews. I may do some Walmart product reviews if I get to that. I don't know. We'll see. But like I said, I think I said it earlier in this video, there is a link in the description below to my Amazon shop page. I am an Amazon influencer, so if you use that link and make a purchase, I may make a commission. I greatly appreciate if you do use the link, and if you click follow when you hit there, you'll see a lot of videos of my product reviews, pictures of products. All of those on Amazon are products I actually have in my possession. I don't post anything with stock images. I only use my own. Just like some of this jewelry, if I find it on Amazon, I'll do a review of it and put up there with pictures of my own, no stock images. So click the follow over there, hit the subscribe here. Thank you for sitting this long. Hope to see you in the next one.